wanted to share with you exactly how you want to price your products when you bring them to sale on Amazon. So for example, getting right into it, I'll show you this product, anti-theft backpack. Now, when I'm going through this video, with Amazon, it's really different based on selling elsewhere, because on Amazon, most cases, people will pay more money for the same product because they think it's higher quality, and that happens a lot. And I'm going to showcase with you with this product, for example. So automatically, the #1 person selling it for $37. As you can see, all these products are relatively similar, and they do vary. They probably have like a $20 price difference. We have $23.99, $29.99, $46, but they all are basically the same exact thing. Now, given when you are the #1 person on Amazon selling that product in the most generic keyword, or broad keyword, sorry, you can price a little higher, right? But this guy over here has the #5 spot for $46, and right here $41. And I know, like with products like this, that the size and everything can take a lot of factors into it, but relatively how Amazon pricing works, what I recommend as soon as you launch a product to the market is kind of be near the lowest price, okay? So you want to be the lowest price, and you want to push to the front page as fast as possible. You want to have the best deal and just get to the front page. After you get to the front page, you want to increase your price, and you want to split test different prices. Now, why do I say that? Because in some scenarios, let's say I'm selling this backpack for $23.99. Let's say we're going to be $21.99. We're going to be the cheapest price to get it to the front page as fast as possible. So I'm selling it for $21.99, get to the front page. Let's say I'm doing like 20 sales a day at $21.99. Now, I will change the price to $23.99. Let's just bump it up by $2. And then in an Excel sheet, I'll just keep the data of how many units I sell at $23.99. Sometimes you're able to sell more units at a higher price than you were at a lower price. There's this one product, just a couple weeks ago, I figured out that if I increased my price by $4, I sell an extra 5 units a day versus when it was originally at. So a lot of the pricing comes down to split testing. I recommend as soon as you launch it, be the lowest price to the market, have the best deal, look the best, obviously. And once you get it there, you need to start split testing your price. That's basically it. You need to split test everything. I can't give you a reason why. The only reason why I told you is just because I think people think it's higher quality when they pay more money, or maybe just something psychologically that some numbers might look better than the other ones. My increments, I like to do either 99 or 97. So you can even play around with the pennies, maybe even go 47 or 49. There's a reason why Walmart ends things in 97. There's a reason why a lot of people sell their courses. Ty Lopez, for example, he sells his for $997. Something with those numbers ending does something to your brain. So nonstop split test your prices and figure out what's best that works for you. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the other videos. Drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Have a great day.